guys, welcome to Camp Milton Preserve.
If you like our videos, make sure to like and subscribe.
Hey everybody, we are at the Camp Milton Preserve in Jacksonville, Florida, a little hidden gem. Just found it on the All Trails app and we decided to make a day of it. A lot of historic stuff out here and we'll just see what we can find. The excitement for the day is trying to find a public restroom out here, right?
Storms come from. If you take that cover off, you get a storm. Anytime you see a
She's not answering.
they took the cover
Don't
off.
make me, like, I'm already irritated.
I know. Hey everybody.
We just found this weird thingamajig.
If you know what this weird thingamajig is, comment down below, right? Huh?
Yes. Exactly.
We are trying to get started here at the Camp Milton Preserve, and our first adventure has been to try to find a public restroom.
Hand grenade.
Apparently it's a hand grenade. So. Most of the trails out here are paved, if not all of them. Pretty scenic and shady out here today. And we are just seeing what's going on. Hey, PFAM5 here, and I'm with Jet. And we are finally on the actual starting trail for the Camp Milton Preserve. And we just had to make a few detours and find the restroom. Now we're gonna get started. Finally, we're going to get into some shade. I think Ian is sweating out gallons. Ian, are you happy to be in some shade?
Yes, but I'm not happy to walk.
I know, this is good exercise though.
Yeah, we cannot stop the world.
We're glad to have our friends, Jeremy and Teresa, join us on this expedition.
And we're walking. went slightly off the trail and come to a pretty cool creek.
Try to get a close-up. This is pretty cool. Really pretty. All in all, this is a neat little preserve out here. Really hot today, of course, in the middle of the summer. We are enjoying what we see nonetheless. So we are finishing up the day here at Camp Milton. The rest of the family's in the car. It's me, Jeremy, and Teresa out here. We did go off the trail just a minute just to explore a little bit before we leave. And I came across something pretty cool. Let's check it out. So I found something cool, and I'm gonna try not to fall. And here we go. It's about as close to the waterfall as you're gonna find, but this is pretty cool. Like I said, this is not on the map that I had noticed. We went off the paved trail and saw a little path that was made, and glad we did.